Explain like I'm 5. Why ants won't jump from heights to shortcut their way. Here's the answer. Ants predominantly navigate using pheromone trails, which are chemical signals they lay down for guidance back to their nest. These pheromones are produced by specialized glands in their abdomen. If ants were to stray from these scent pathways, such as by jumping or falling from heights, they could potentially become disconnected from their colony and lose their way. Some ants, like leafcutters, do incorporate falling into their routines when it is beneficial and doesn't risk losing the scent trail. They climb trees, cut leaves, and fall to the ground, subsequently rejoining the pheromone trail back to the nest. Ants have a limited visual range, which makes jumping from significant heights risky as they can't accurately judge what they'll land on. Moreover, their primary navigation tool is the scent of pheromone trails, not sight. From an evolutionary perspective, it's safer and more efficient for ants to follow a known secure path marked by pheromones than to leap into an unknown environment, potentially facing unforeseen dangers. Ants operate more as a collective, and communal behaviors, like laying and following pheromone trails, are crucial to colony success. Individual actions that don't aid the colony, such as taking shortcuts without leaving trails, are not evolutionarily favored due to their disruption of the colony's collective intelligence.